Let's learn how to make my secret family recipe for the best no-spread sugar cookies.
I'm Allison with Simple Fantastic Kitchen. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a recipe. Let's get started. First, we'll add 5 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and mix that together. Then set it aside. Now, in a stand mixer, using the paddle attachment, add 1 cup of shortening and 2 cups of cane sugar. Now cream that together until it's light and fluffy. Then add 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Then we add in the secret ingredient, 1 cup of sour cream. Blend that until it's creamy. Now we'll change to the dough hook attachment. Then slowly add in the dry ingredients from earlier. When the dough is fully incorporated, move it into an airtight covered container and chill it in the refrigerator for at least 3 hours. For best practices, I usually chill it overnight. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Then flour the surface of a silicone mat, as I've already done. Take a portion of your chilled cookie dough that's about this big. You'll want to work with it in segments so that it's more manageable. Flour the dough, then roll it out. I'm using a specialty roller that has a washer on it that allows me to roll out to 1/4 inch thickness for the dough. This enables complete evenness in the cookies, which allows them to bake perfectly every time. I will put a link to this rolling pin in the description, as well as all the other products I'm using today, in case you want to explore them. I will be using round cookie cutters today, but you can use any cookie cutters you'd like with this cookie dough. I've used everything from Halloween ghost cookie cutters to Christmas trees to hearts for Valentine's Day, and they all turn out great. Put your cookies in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, checking them carefully at 8 minutes. You don't want them to be brown around the edges. Allow them to cool for 10 minutes on the baking sheet. Then, with a wide spatula, carefully transfer the cookies to a cooling rack and allow them to cool for another 10 to 15 minutes before beginning to decorate them. You can decorate these cookies as plainly or as intricately as you'd like. I have a recipe for a delicious buttercream frosting that I'll leave in the description below, which is what I often use to decorate these cookies. These look so delicious, but how do they taste?
These are so good. Oh my gosh.
The full recipe is in the description below. The products are in the description as well. For more recipes, subscribe to Simple Fantastic Kitchen.